Check the diameter on this one, looks ready. 42 centimeters, logging that now. This section is clear for harvest. Mark the 72-inch diameter. Confirmed. Marking it now. Check the diameter on that one, make sure it meets the spec before it hits the line.
All right, bring the bucket down slowly. Watch the load balance.
The humidity levels are stable, and the particle count is optimal.
Agreed. The blend looks perfect according to the formulation.
We're holding steady at 1200 degrees.
Looks good. Consistent texture on the exit. The core alignment is holding at 99.8% precision. The vision system is flagging the last batch on conveyor 2. Look at the temperature spike on the upper left gauge.
It's within tolerance, but monitor the pressure differential closely.
The humidity is peaking slightly in zone 3. Acknowledged. Increasing heat by 2 degrees.
We're maintaining optimal speed and accuracy across all lines. The verification numbers look good. The throughput on the west line is exceeding projections again. Yes, the vacuum seal remains consistent even at this speed.
Make sure the manifest matches the container number.
It's confirmed, ready for loading.
You've done well with the equation. Now focus on the detail of the illustration, just like we practiced.
We need to adjust the elevation on the north side.
Let me see the updated schematic for the HVAC system.
Pallet 4B is secured. Moving to inbound lane 3.
Over. Sourced from the finest Californian cedar, these pencils undergo a 40-step process. Notice the precise grading, essential for technical drawing. This exhibition showcases the complete journey, transforming raw timber into the essential writing tool we know today.